Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ing with Kishan. In this video we are going to learn more English sentences. So let's start the video. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. I did it for you. बहुत मज़ा आया. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. मैं कल आपको फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं. I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. वो अभी अभी गया है. He has just left. He has just left. तुम ऐसी बकवास क्यों करते हो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी है. A word to wise is enough. A word to wise is enough. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? तुमने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? मैंने उसे बहुत कुछ कहा. I said many things to him. I said many things to him. आप तो बिल्कुल भोले हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. आपको किससे मिलना है? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? वह बड़ा पत्थर दिल है. He is a hard-hearted person. He is a hard-hearted person. तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? वह सुंदर लड़की थी. She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy with you. Or you can say I am very happy to you. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. वो बहुत देर बाद आया था. He had come after a long. He had come after a long. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I breathed a sigh of relief. I breathed a sigh of relief. तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा. I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था. He had stood by me. He had stood by me. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैंने पक्का मन बना लिया है कि मैं जाऊंगा. I have decided to go. I have decided to go. मेरे मित्र दोषी थे. My friends were guilty. My friends were guilty. तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है. Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. इन सब फाइलों को लेकर आओ. Bring all these files. Bring all these files. मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा. I will go to market tomorrow. I will go to market tomorrow. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? हम रास्ता भूल गए. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मोटरसाइकिल का अगला पहिया पंचर है. The front tire of the bike is punctured. Or you can say the front tire of the bike is flat. मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ. I am saying something. I am saying something. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. अच्छा समय आएगा. Better time will come. Better time will come. बादल गरज रहे हैं. Clouds are thundering. Clouds are thundering. मन तो किया उसे एक थप्पड़ लगा दूं. I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said so. You should not have said so. मैं जाना तो चाहता हूँ पर नहीं जा सकता. I want to go but I can't. I want to go but I can't. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं. You are just in time. You are just in time. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? तुम अच्छे हो. You are good. You are good. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है. I have no alternative. I have no alternative. वो घर किसका है? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from? Which city are you from? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? क्या है वो? What is that? What is that? ये तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है. This is my love for you. This is my love for you. वो थकी हुई थी. She was tired. She was tired. हम बैठे हुए थे. We were sitting. We were sitting. मैं इस फोटो में नहीं हूँ. I am not there in this photograph. I am not there in this photograph. गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.